everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1965 Chevrolet Impala SS convertible. Great car, guys. I originally sold this car in 2017 to a local gentleman. Just bought it back. Great car. When I bought the car, watch your flag here, get hit in the face. I bought it out of a collection, actually out of Tennessee. It's an older restoration, still very nice car. A few little things you can nitpick on it, but really just a really nice car. Good, solid, straight body car. It was originally out of California. It is a true super sport. It's got the matching numbers 327 engine, automatic. The gentleman that I sold it to actually just put Global West tubular upper and lower control arms on it and changed it over to front disc brakes. Beautiful car, rally red. It's got the red interior, it's got the white convertible top, and nice. Like you say, older resto, so there's some touch-up marks, little chips on it, but very nice. I believe this car has all the original T3 headlights, and it does. Again, a couple little touch-up marks on it, but really good car. Of course, the 65, they had the three-piece bumpers. Car's got a real good look to it. Sits good. I think it's like $3,500 set of Raceline wheels on it. Bucket seats, console, tilt wheel. Ed just told me that tilt wheel or that tilt column in there's $250. Red on red, cool color combination. Of course, everybody, this is my favorite part about these cars. I love the taillights in 65. Those are super cool. Car's nice and flat down the sides. Again, it's got 18 and 20 inch Raceline wheels on it. ZR rated rubber all the way around it. That is a good looking car. I just put brand new Flowmaster dual exhaust on it. Again, new front disc brakes. New Global West tubular upper and lower control arms. It's got the original 327 in it, Edelbrock 4-barrel stock intake with the stock ram's horn exhaust manifolds, power steering. Again, brand new front disc brakes. It's got the Harrison radiator in it. Original power glide trans. You can see those tubular A-arms on it. Good looking car. Well, we just have a gorgeous day today. Matter of fact, I think we're setting a record high here today. At the end of the week, though, we'll be back to the Michigan weather. Yeah, you nitpick the A-pillar chrome a little. These look brand new. Stainless on the top here is nice. Looks like it's got the original door handles. The door rubbers have definitely been replaced. Bucket seats, console, again, tilt wheel. Got an aftermarket tach and gauges, but it's got the original gauges there in the dash. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Seats are nice. There's just a little leaf, guys. They're blowing all around today. 59,000, that's supposed to be original miles. Again, aftermarket tach, got an AM radio with an FM converter down there. Vacuum manifold gauge, got some aftermarket gauges underneath there. Original owner's manuals in the glove box. Brand new Flowmaster dual exhaust, I had that installed. It's a 12-bolt rear end, just a stock gear, probably like a 323. Still does there. Factory jack with the spares here. There's the boot for it. It's all spackle coated in here like it should be. Good clean car underneath. Well, I love the taillights on these cars. Couple new Cudas there I picked up this weekend down in North Carolina. Car's nice and clean underneath. I'm gonna say that carpet looks original. Seats are nice. Oh, you know, yeah, a little, saw that right there. Seats are, again, very nice. Car drives good. Clock works. It's got the dual mirrors on it. Car just runs out great. You know, no big cam or anything in it. They might have a little cam too, you can hear a little low, but nothing real radical. Works. Looks like all your gauges are well. The fuel gauge definitely up there. Is everything else there? Yeah, it looks like everything's there. Not real sure if they've got these still hooked up or not. Vacuum manifold gauge works, yep. Oh, I love those taillights. Those are super cool. Put it back a little bit forward, Jordy. There it is. Yeah, backup lights do work. Little switch. Car's got good sound to it. It works. Oh, we got to put the top up. We keep doing that. It's got an FM converter blower motor, Dirty. I think it works. Yep. We got to put the top up. Go ahead and start putting it up. I'll move around there. No, it's power top, Jordy. It's in good shape. Plastic rear windows, got a little fade to it. But you can see, pretty doggone nice. That's good, Jordan. Go ahead and put it back down. No tears or anything like that. Works good, functions good. Blinkers are down there low. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking that little button there at the bottom. That way we can get a notification every time I post a new one of these videos. Now you can see out in the sun. Have a great day, guys.